Hi, this is George from Blackburn Audi, and today I'll be taking you on a walk round of this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Sport with the 35 TFSI 150 PS petrol engine and slick 6-speed manual gearbox. This A3 is finished in the stylish metallic Manhattan grey paint finish, which really matches with the rest of the trim nicely, and some of the key exterior features include the striking LED headlights, and it sits on the stylish 17-inch 5 parallel spoke style alloy wheels and rear parking sensors to make moving into those tighter spaces that bit easier. Whilst it features a large and spacious boot with 380 litres of capacity, plenty of space for your daily needs, whether that be for a work bag and gym bag or weekly shopping for example. And here we have the rear interior where the spacious theme continues with plenty of legroom for your passengers, whilst the seats look stunning as well, finished in black twin leather, and they feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points, meaning you can easily pop a child seat into the rear. In the front interior, there's stylish looks, with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with controls for the virtual cockpit ahead, complemented by the platinum grey silk effect paint finish inlays, and the front seats which are comfortable and supportive, perfect for those longer journeys. In terms of technology, it boasts the Audi Virtual Cockpit display, where you can access a range of useful displays including the satellite navigation and journey information, whilst the cruise control is easy to set and it even has the capability of adaptive cruise control via a subscription in the My Audi app. In the centre there's the 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in a car of this calibre, including the DAB digital radio, external media connectivity and telephone connectivity, whilst there's a satellite navigation to help guide you to your destination, and there's also wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can make the most of apps optimised for use in the car. There's the Audi Drive Select menu too, so you can choose your favourite driving profile. Just below that, there's the easy to use controls for the dual zone climate control, as well as a couple of USB Type-C ports so you can charge your phone whilst on the move, the slick 6-speed manual gear shifter, a couple of cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there's plenty of storage as well. Thank you for watching this walk around video. If you're interested in the car or would like to know more, please don't hesitate to get in touch.